Visiting the page. Today I want to talk about this new program I'm sponsoring. It's called Get Paid to Test Apps through a program called AppCoiner. So AppCoiner is pretty straight up. Um, they're looking for people to test apps, and these apps will be tested on their tablet or your phone. And right now they're taking people from all over the United States, is what they're saying. And I'll run you through this quick little video that they have here just so you can see what they're talking about here. Hold on. And that's pretty much it right there. So it's pretty self-explanatory. These people will pay you to test different type of smartphone apps. And if you keep scrolling down, just more info on the page here. You choose the app you want to test. You got to write a review. According to them, you don't even have to be a good writer. You just got to write a review on it. And once your review is in, you get paid. So right down below is my information. So what happens when you type in your information into the web page is going to take you to a sales page. And here we're on the sales page. So it looks pretty good. It looks like people are using iPhones, iPads, Galaxies, HTs, you name it, everything's in there. And you scroll down the page. It talks about how the app developers need your help, and that's why you're testing these apps out there as they're putting it out to everybody. And then here it talks about how you make the money. So basically, you choose an app that you want to test through this program. Like I told you before, you write the review of the app after you've used it, and then once you're done and you submit it, they're going to pay you. And the way they choose to pay you is via check, direct deposit, or Payoneer if you have a Payoneer app. I don't have a Payoneer app myself. And it seems pretty simple, right? It's open to most people from the United States. And then this is how they calculate their payouts. It says that, like this person here, the example is they're going to review 3 apps a day, and then $15 per review, and how many days a week. So you can see they allege here 225 a week, 975 a month, and 11,000 a year. But as always, at the bottom is an example. Figures that can be potentially earned. The results from this calculator are not typical or guaranteed. And there is a cost to this. So in order to be part of the program, they got you got some videos here what people are saying about it. And as you scroll down to the bottom here, it's a 20. So right now they're giving a $20 discount for people from the United States to get on the list of app testers. And they offer a 60-day money back guarantee, and they're charging $27 to activate your account. So if you got $27 to burn, I think nowadays that's a carton of cigarettes if you smoke, or a couple trips to McDonald's. It's worth a shot and see what it works. But it looks like it's a pretty good deal. It works really good. So if anybody's interested, the link to this will be below. It'll take you to my sales page because, as you guys know, Facebook won't let you send me directly to the link here. So I'll have a link down on my page. If you guys want some more information on that, just info me down below. And I respond to everybody. I don't have any bots on no program except one on my main page. So for most of these things, I respond to you directly. So without further ado, just like always, when you're an affiliate marketer, the best thing that you guys can do to help me grow and help grow this channel, and if you don't do this yourself, is you want to like, and share this page on your post, right? And comment. Algorithms on YouTube and Facebook kind of work the same, and every time you share this, every time you give it a like, every time you put a comment on there, good or bad, it looks good up on their screens and have a better chance of getting this promoted and seen around by everyone. So thanks for the help, and see you guys on the next one.